Dear students, topic of this section is SQL Azure. So SQL Azure is a relational database service hosted on Windows Azure, built on the SQL Server technology. The services extend the capabilities of SQL Server to the cloud. So here the capabilities of SQL Server is implemented in the cloud, and it provides the developers with scalable, highly available and fault tolerant relational database. SQL Azure is accessible from either the Windows Azure cloud or any other location that has access to the Azure cloud. So it is fully compatible with the interfaces by SQL Server. So this is the figure which shows the architecture of SQL Azure. It consists of service layer and platform layer. Basically, it is based on the tabular data stream, that is TDS protocol, which is the communication protocol underlying all the different interfaces used by the application. So on the SQL Azure side, access to the data is mediated by the service layer, which provides the provisioning, then billing and connection routing services. Developers have to sign up for the Windows Azure account in order to use the SQL Azure. Once the account is activated, they can either use the Windows Azure Management Portal, or they can use the REST APIs to create the services and logins and to configure the access to the services. So this simplifies the management task and the interaction with SQL Azure from the client application. Next is Windows Azure Platform Appliance. So Windows Azure Platform can also be deployed as an appliance on the third-party data centers and constitute the cloud infrastructure governing the physical servers of the data center. The Windows Azure Platform Appliance include Windows Azure as well as SQL Azure and Microsoft specified configuration of network storage and server hardware. So this appliance is a solution for the governments and service providers who want to have their own cloud infrastructure. As introduced earlier, Azure already provides the development environment that allows building an application for Azure in their own premises. But because of this Azure appliance, the Azure appliance is instead the full-featured implementation of Windows Azure. Its goal is to replicate Azure on a third-party infrastructure and make available its services beyond the boundaries of the Microsoft cloud. So this appliances addresses two major scenarios. First is institutions that have very large computing needs, such as government agencies and institutions that cannot afford to transfer their data outside their premises. Okay, so thank you so much.